Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a recalled product. So let's get into this. It says Commissioner Affairs Commission CAC is urging the public to immediately halt the consumption of popular heartburn drug Ratidine, sold under the trade name ZANTAC. Jamaica Ministry of Health and Wellness on Wednesday announced that no further supplies of the drug Ratidine will be allowed into the island with immediate effect after global health regulators warned about a potentially dangerous contaminant in the drug. Local consumers are also being asked to comply with the recalled product under the Consumer Protection Act and return the item to the point of service for a full refund. The health minister said it became aware of an issue via reports by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, Health Canada, and the Europe Directorate for Quality of Medicines. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration said last month it detected low levels of probable cancer-causing chemicals in ZANTAC and related to generic drugs to treat ulcers and reflux disease. This same chemical has been linked to dozens of recalls of prescription blood pressure drugs in the past year. So if you're somebody that take ZANTAC a lot, it has been recalled and you should no longer take it. And if you do have some of them in your household, you need to return them to the place that you bought them for a full refund. Comment what your thoughts are on these things being recalled after the fact they found out that it can cause cancer and stuff. Do you think that it's intentionally done? Do you think that these items need to be tested more frequently so that this whole recalling situation don't have to happen? What are your thoughts? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.